Hello everyone. Today we shall look into the creation of heat map. Let us understand how to create map. In the visualizations, I would select a matrix visual. Let us bring this matrix visual and in the rows, what I would do is I would select the month name which is present in my date table, and in the columns from the sales table I'll bring in the brand. Okay, in the rows I have my month name, and in the columns I have my brand. In the values, I'll select total sales measure, which is sum of sales. Okay, which is which where we have the values. Okay, these are respective values where you could see the respective totals. We shall go to the format. We shall turn off the column subtotals and we shall turn off the row subtotals. Here I'll click on style presets. I'll click on minimal so that our presentation could be at minimal highlighted level. Now what we shall do is we shall go to the cell elements in the format. Here we have cell elements in the bottom. For the total sales, let us turn on the background color. Okay, usually once we turn on the background color, usually we could see that there are darker backgrounds and there are the light backgrounds based upon the condition which we provide. Here if we click on this FX, here we could see that for the lower value it is like light background, and if it is maximum we have this dark blue. If we like to add the middle color, I'll click OK. Here you could see that a middle color would also appear, and the map would show like this. But here we don't want the middle color. I'll go back to this apply settings. I'll turn off this. I'll click OK. And in addition to these values of background color, I'll turn on this font color. As soon as I turn on the font color, here you could notice that all my values are gone. It is not gone, but the font color and the background color are in the same color. So that is the reason why we are not able to see the values. And if at all we want to see the values, just click on the FX which is represented below the font color. What we can do is we could add some color whatever we want. Suppose that I want from black to white. I can make it possible, and here we'll be able to see the values as you could see over here. For now, since we do not want for the heat map, what I'll do is I'll keep the same colors from light dark to the maximum dark, whichever it is possible. I'll click OK. Okay, here even the light background, here you could see that. Otherwise what you could do is just turn off the font color again, turn it on. You'll again notice that the heat map would be appearing well, and you could take the decisions. This is all for now. Thank you for watching, and we shall meet in the next video.